how can you import your wallets, like Phantom Wallet, your Moonshot Wallet, your Soulflare Wallet, into Axiom Pro platform and be using it to trade? And in another way, how can you export your wallets, the wallet created for you on Axiom Pro, to your Phantom Wallets or Moonshot Wallets or Dextero Wallet or any wallets? This is what I want to do video all about. So if you know you are using Axiom Pro, remember Axiom Pro is one of the best platforms to trade meme token. If you use my referral link, you are going to get 10% cashback when you are making use of the platform. For now, Axiom Pro is one of the best, where you can make easy analysis of tokens to trade, and the interface and everything is very beginner friendly, user friendly, and everything is very okay. Now let's go to Axiom Pro and let me show you how to export or import wallets. This is Axiom Pro. Now if you export your wallet, click at the bottom here, look at the account at the bottom. That is, if you are making use of smartphone, you can see that icon like key. Click on that icon like key. Click on it simply like this. Now you can do two things, as you can see on the screen. The first one, this account, because there is a wallet curated for you on Axiom Pro. If you want to export the account to your Phantom Wallet, your Dextero, your Soulflare, or any wallet, just click on this export private key. I'm not going to click on it because it's very private. You don't need to show it to anybody. But when you click on it, you are going to see the key. So copy the key and take it to maybe Phantom Wallet or Dextero Wallet to export your wallet on Axiom Pro to that wallet. Now, let's assume the other one is to import your wallet, like Phantom Wallet. Let's assume you don't want to be using the wallet on Axiom Pro. You can simply import your wallet, like Soulflare, like Phantom Wallets, to this Axiom Wallet. So now, to do that, click on Import Wallet. You can see, but before you do that, you need to go and copy the private key on Phantom Wallet. Then you paste it. You will paste the private key to this place. You can see you paste it here, then you click import. Automatically it will be imported. Now let me take you to Phantom Wallet and show you where to copy the private key. Let's assume you are using Phantom Wallet. Now let's go. As you can see, I am on Phantom Wallet. So if you want to copy your private key on Phantom Wallet, this is what you do. Click here, click this place. When you click it, simply like this, then the next thing, click here, click this place, like this. Now, you can see where to copy key. You can see it is indicating that show private key. So I'm going to click here. Now, you can see the security notice here. It's telling me that this particular private key, if I disclose it, another person may take over my account. That is what it's actually telling me. So if I click OK, then I click continue. So now I click on continue. So it's now going to tell me which particular private key I want to copy. Do I want to copy the private key for Solana, for Ethereum, for Base, for Polygon? Which one? So the next thing, you click on the particular private key you want to copy. Just copy it and go back to Axiom Pro to paste it on that particular space I indicated the first time. That is it. And if you copy, you can also copy the private key on Axiom Pro and then click on Hard Wallet, as you can see, and click on Hard Wallets like this. Then you can see Import Private Key. So here you click here, then the next thing you write the name, then you paste the private key here. So it is a two-way. It is a two-way situation. It's either you take this wallet to Axiom Pro, or you can take wallet on Axiom Pro to your wallet. any wallet. It could be Phantom, it could be Dextoro, it could be Moonshot, anyone. So that is how to do it.